What's up guys, it's Nia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay. So today's video is kind of going to be a part 2 in the whole college capsule wardrobe series. So if you guys haven't seen my first video, I did a Shein haul where I bought a bunch of pieces in an attempt at building my own capsule wardrobe, which, if you guys don't know, it's all about getting the right basics so you can create a bunch of different outfits. And as part 2, I'm going to be showing you guys how many outfits you can create using only 8 pieces. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first item is going to be this plain white tee that I got from Shein in a size medium. So the next item is going to be this beige tank top, also from Shein and also in a size medium. So the next item is just going to be a black long sleeve. For this, I have this black long sleeve that says Forgiven on the front. If I remember correctly, I think I got it in Discovery. Don't quote me on that though. And yeah, I think it's either in a size small or a size medium. The fourth top is going to be this white button-up that I got from Shein in a size large. Here it is. So the next item is going to be this little black dress that I got from Papaya in a size large. I bought it in store, so I won't be able to link it down below for you guys. Here it is. And now time for the bottoms. The first one I have are these simple denim shorts that I bought from Charlotte Russe in a size 7. This was also bought in store, so I won't be able to link it down below for you guys. The next pair of bottoms are these blue denim jeans, also from Charlotte Russe and also in a size 7. And the last item is gonna be this pair of black jeans that I bought from Charlotte Russe as well, and surprise surprise, also in a size 7. Okay, so I haven't tried any of these on together. I have an idea of what I'm gonna do in theory, but yeah. So obviously the first combination will just be pairing each of the bottoms with each of the tops and seeing how that goes, and then we'll move forward from there. So yeah, time to try them on. Outfit number 1 is just going to be the white tee, and I paired that with the black jeans. Don't ask why I'm wearing glasses in this clip. Outfit number 2, we're sticking with what we had before, but this time I added the white button up. You can fold the white shirt under like this, or you can wear it down like that. Outfit number 3 is just going to be the beige tank top with the black jeans. So for outfit number 4, we've added the white button up again. You can wear the tank top tucked under the bra like this, or you can wear it down, which I'm going to show you guys in a few seconds. And please don't ask why the glasses are back. I'm just rocking with them. Number 5 might not be for everyone, but we're sticking with the black jeans and the white tee, but this time we've layered it with the beige tank top. Here we are at number 6. We just have the black long sleeve with the black jeans. You guys should be able to see the pattern by now, but for number 7, we've added the white button up again, and here it is with the black long sleeve tucked under, and here it is out. Number 8 is going to be another layered outfit, this time with the white tee over the black long sleeve. Glasses are back. Number 9, not sure how to feel about this one, but we've layered the beige tank top over the black long sleeve. Number 10 is a yes. This time we have the white button down by itself paired with the black jeans, and yeah, simple. I like it. Number 11, sticking with the white long sleeve, but this time we've added the beige tank top as a sort of vest, but I'm actually surprised with how it turned out. I like it. Number 12, definitely an interesting one. This time we have a little black dress layered on top of the white long sleeve but acting as a top. Number 13, we have the black dress again acting as a top paired with the black jeans. Number 14, surprise, surprise, sticking with the black dress and the black jeans, but this time we've added the white button up on top. I have mixed feelings about this one, but for number 15, we've layered the black dress as a top, but this time over the white tee. Time for a change of pants. For number 16, we have the black dress, but this time paired with the blue denim jeans. Number 17, are you really surprised? This time we have the white button down and the black dress, but this time it's with the denim jeans. So number 18, back again with the white tee layered with the black dress, but this time with the denim jeans. Number 19, the beige tank top, but this time with the denim jeans. You already knew this was coming, but for outfit 20, we're keeping the beige tank top, but this time we've added the white button up.
Turn on.
Outfit 21 is gonna be the white tee with the beige tank top layered on top, but the difference is it's the denim jeans this time. Time for outfit. I had to do it, but here we have the black long sleeve, but with the denim jeans. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. In case you guys didn't notice, I actually ended up swapping the shorts. These are still from Charlotte Russe, still on a size 7, but it's a different pair. Outfit 30. For some reason I find this cuter with the shorts than with the jeans. Let me know what you guys think. Number 32. For some reason I forgot to film me trying on outfit 33, but I did get a picture, so here it is, just the beige tank top with the denim shorts. 34, just added the white button up. 35. 36. 37. Ignore that. 38. You know what? I actually feel like the layering is cute because it just looks like an ordinary two-tone top, which I like those, but what do you guys think? 39, back again with the dress as a top. Outfit 40. 41. 42. I feel like it's really cute with the shorts. Outfit 43. I think this might be one of my favorites actually. 44, we have the little black dress just by itself as is. Simple, nice, love it. With the glasses. 45, once again we've added the white button up. Here it is tied. It's the same outfit, just a bit of a different look. 46, I feel like a restaurant would have this as the waitress's outfit, but I actually like it. 47, I really like this one. I was gonna have it as two different outfits, but it's pretty much the same thing. So this would be more casual, and this would be if you have a bit of a more formal occasion to attend. 48, the white button up with the beige tank top, but this time with the black dress as a skirt. 49, you already know what's coming up next. Number 50, of course, we've added the white button up. Coming to an end for 51, we just have the white tee with the black dress as a skirt. 52, of course, we've added the white button up. 53, a bit of layering again with the black dress as a skirt this time. 54, black long sleeve, black dress as a skirt. 55. 56. 'The final two, here's 57. And our final outfit, 58, we have the white tee underneath the black dress. Thank you so much for watching this week's video, guys. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, please give it a thumbs up anyway. Do not hit that thumbs down button. Comment down below other video ideas you guys may have for me or how you'd like to see me improve. Let me know what your favorite part of this video was. Let me know what your favorite outfit combination was. Subscribe to the channel, join the family, let's grow together. Hit the bell button, get notified when I post a new video, and follow me on my other social media. They'll be linked in the description box below. They should also be right here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
We're gonna be seeing okay. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so today we kind of have a part 2 in the whole how you can style. Okay, so so for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So, the first pair of bottoms, time for the bottoms. Time for the bottoms. These black bell bottoms. Comment below what you really. I hit the bell button to get notifications. Comment down below how you really. Thank you so much for watching this. Okay. Let me know in the comments down below how you'd like to style challenges, like style. And I will see you guys next Monday. And I will see you guys on next Monday. And I will see you guys next Monday.